Hey filmmaker, Chung Dha here. So I've bought a Yongnuo YN608, which is a big ring light. This is 49 centimeters wide or in diameter. So we're going to unbox this here. And interesting about this light is a lot of people are right now actually using it. A lot of YouTubers are using it. And it's quite an interesting light because I want to improve my lighting and also have like a setup that is slightly easier to set up. I think it's pretty big as a setup, but I have to say if I can just mount this on a tripod instead of a light stand and not have to use like a umbrella to diffuse it, it already is like less work. So pretty nice. You get actually a pretty big bag with it. Open this further up. Well, okay, so this is the actual light, and under here we get like a 1/4 inch mount, so you can mount this directly on the tripod. However, the only thing is you can't directly mount it on top of here. So here we have the actual remote. Only thing I did read about this remote is a lot of people like forget about it, or you have to put 2 AA batteries in it, so it's not like automatically powered. But I think if you have like let's see, if you have like it stand in here that it gets power, so you can control it. You can actually get this handle under here, but it doesn't make that much sense if you're going to mount it onto a tripod. It's also not like an interesting grip to hold. So let's put this on. And we're back with the YN608, using it right now. And first we have to thank our sponsored Production Crate for their effects that I'll be using in this video, and also check out their website because you can actually sign up for their free library and access or download 5 effects daily or 5 stock effects daily, and if you actually pay a certain amount annually, you can access their pro account where you can actually get a lot of different effects. So we're now using the YN608. This is actually a pretty nice lighting. You can see my skin looks probably much better than in the previous shot, and also you can see it ring light effect in my eyes. A pretty nice even lighting than before. Also for people who are interested in this lighting, it's an actual pretty inexpensive light, and also if you combine it with a tripod, you can quickly store it away without having to unscrew a lot of things. So I'm combining now it with a Manfrotto compact action. It's making it quite a simple setup to store away and also set up. The other thing is, I think this is, it's actually now on 40% brightness. It can go actually much brighter, but I don't need it to be that extreme bright, and it's also not too much hurting my eyes. Also, it's actually at a brightness that I can look at the camera, see the camera quite well without it actually being too bright and hurting my eyes. So that was mainly it. Hopefully you guys liked this video, and please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more upcoming videos, please subscribe. Also check out my other videos on this channel. If you have any questions, please comment below or join us on our Facebook group. There's a link in the description below, and I'll hope to see you the next time. Bye bye.